Hey everyone, Matthew Sanford here. The virus that shall not be named has changed a lot of things in 2020, including our ability to meet in person and explore how to adapt yoga together. In response, we've developed a shortened 3-day online course. In this course, you'll learn more than simple modifications for particular poses, but rather a template for how to teach yoga more profoundly from inside to out, for an approach to all poses that allow you to meet your students right where they are. At Mind Body Solutions, we believe that the principles inherent to asana do not discriminate, but particular yogic poses do, depending on how they're taught. When you attend this workshop, you'll receive 16.5 continuing education contact hours. You'll experience insights that will transform your own personal practice. You'll gain access, interactive access, to some of our long-term adaptive students and learn about their experience of doing yoga while living with a disability. And finally, we're going to offer some insights on how to teach online adaptive classes and meet your students right in their home. But most of all, our goal in this shortened workshop is to wet your whistle, to help you on the journey you've already begun, to make you want to go deeper, and hopefully maybe even explore more about how we share yoga with everybody. But until then, until I see you again, take care and keep up the good work.